Hey there, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Today I'm standing over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois, in front of one of our used vehicles, the 2015 Ford Focus SE. Now, this vehicle has 50,056 miles on it, has only had one owner, and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, when we get inside this Ford, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating with a design throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have a standard AM/FM radio that hooks up to your phone for Bluetooth calling, and we also have cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.